Hello, hi everyone. My name is Mamadou Camara. I'm a senior at Borok, majoring in finance. This is my midterm presentation for my CIS class 3367 with Professor Andriano Wheeler. I have chosen a company called ABC that specializes on shipping our different form of products. The reason I took this company is that I'm interested to know how to analyze a big data and make it easy to understand with a few clicks. The topic questions I'm going to cover is how much revenue the company is getting every month, which type of products this company is selling, and finally, who are the best employees. To answer those questions, I have used pivot table, graph, combo box, and slices. The first time when I get this data online, I had this data look like we have here as a numbers. The first work I did, I transformed those number as date as it appeared here right now and I format it as a table and insert headers and include the headers so I could see what is going on, the name, and I could see the cell, for example, the order date, the state, the sell person, region, and so on. Okay, now to start answering my questions, as I said, I use a pivot table and insert the line graph here, as you could see, to know how much of revenue they was making every month, each month. So, and also I added the slices to make it easy to understand. For example, if I'm interested to know how much of revenue they was making on the month of February, I'm just gonna go on my slices here and I'm gonna click on the month of February. They're gonna show me the amount of money they made on the month of February. If I want to know the amount of money they made on the month of December, I'm just gonna go to the slices again and I just click here. They show me the amount of money they made on the month of December. That was like $6,643 they made. Okay, the next one I did here the combo box. I did the combo box based on my regional sales. So here, what I did here, I'm gonna take you through to this. And okay, I have this as a view, but it's supposed to be developer, and then you're just gonna come to the insert button, combo box, and then I'm gonna drag my combo box right here. I'm gonna drag my combo box here. I'm gonna just fix it here. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna format this. I'm gonna right click and then format control and input range. I'm gonna come to my regional cells. I'm gonna take this area here, this place here, and here I just want it to be appeared in front of my combo box. I'm gonna click on here and click OK. Okay, now when I go to the east, north, okay, this is working. The next step what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work for the index function. For the index function, I'm gonna say equal index, and then I'm gonna go back to my regional cells. I'm gonna take this area here and put comma, and I want to be based on my combo box here. I want it to be anything that's appeared to be here, and I don't want it to be changed, so I'm gonna lock it. and comma 1, and I'm gonna close. Go. Okay, so this is my north region, my east region, my south region. So this is the way I work to this here. How it look, this wise look like this. So I'm gonna go here, you see it's gonna change automatically south, everything updating at the same time. So the next thing I did, because I was interested to know which type of product this company is selling. For that, I also use pivot table and insert the bar chart here to know which type of product they are selling and which one they sell making more revenue for them. From this line chart here, line graph, we saw here the beverage making them make more revenue from here, as you could see. And the low product that they're making less is on this product here, the grains. They're making less on this one. The next thing I did also is to know the best employee, who was the best employee for this company, who was helping them to make more money. So I also insert the bar chart, the bar graph here, as you could see it, and then I have here Andrew, who was the best one of the 5 employee who was making more profits or revenue for the company. Okay, now we're gonna go to my dashboard. This is the dashboard I created, and I answer the slices. Also, I report the connection between all my pivot table I created, so they could be updating at the same time. So when I go here to Andrew, we see we need to know how Andrew was performing from all those pivot table. I'm just gonna click to Andrew, the name of Andrew. They're gonna show me, for example, here the sale by employee. They're gonna show me the amounts, the amount of the performance of Andrew here. He has made almost 100,000. When we go here, the type of products Andrew was selling, so we see here he was selling the beverage. He was selling the beverage more. So when we take from somebody else, like let's take Robert and see how was the performance of Robert. And we see here Robert his performance was almost 70,000 something, but it's not 8,000. His performance by sale employee. When we come here, for him the product was the dairy products. He was selling the dairy product and the salt. So those making almost the same level here. So this is how it is very important, and for me to explain how this work with a few clicks, I'm able to understand what is going on inside this company. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.